Getting the toolbox out.
Hey, record this. The B setup.
Ah, cart this way.
The B setup, dude.
Alright, so for those of you who don't know how to do an
oil.
oil change, I'm about to teach you. It's pretty simple, the basic. No, not that much to it. For those of you guys who don't know, it's a 2016 Challenger RT salvage title.
Savage title.
Yeah, savage title, I mean.
Chill, what was this from?
From when I first started driving it, like
It's because he doesn't know how to park.
yeah, so I still didn't know my car at the time, so I didn't know how much space. So I just ran into a wall.
Oh shit.
But it's okay because Chris Fix got
These
it.
are so useful right here if you guys don't have them. Harbor Freight.
Harbor Freight for
Oh! Oh!
They-
Fernando Fix. What are you using there, buddy?
Soapy water. Thank
Wow,
you, Chris Fix.
you didn't say it like Chris Fix says it.
Soapy water? Just let it chill.
I'm that friend that doesn't know shit about cars.
That has a lot of bad.
That has a badass car.
Have you seen that one? No, they think that's.
Alright guys, take a look at this. The chamois or the absorber or whatever it's called.
Low profile jack for the win. It barely made it.
Now we're about to jack the car up. Alright, so look, I jacked up the car.
Be like when I launch on
And these are my Jacksons Duralast. These are always super sketch.
Oh, you can take it from here.
I do not trust these.
You can take it from here where the.
I trust Harbor Freight more than Duralast. So first thing you gotta do is open your oil cap. I got it. You're just trying to hold my hand. So remove it and keep it somewhere safe. You don't... Another Harbor Freight product.
Sometimes I just want to know, like.
Now we're about to get under the car and I'll set up the camera and go under there. Alright guys, so we're under the car and you basically want to look for this right here. It's a bolt. You're gonna unbolt this and oil is gonna come out. It should be around the same place in every car. So some of them are like more back here, but most of them are in the general, you know, in the front of the car. So this car is still hot because we didn't let it cool down. So you always have to let your car cool down or else the oil is just gonna be burning you, not like burning in general, but burning you. So be careful.
You're gonna do it? Hey, but what if your dad does it? Hey, before you see.
Alright, so once the oil Perfect. is finished draining, you're gonna wanna put this bolt back in, the oil drain plug, put it back in.
So why haven't you tried messing around with it?
And then tighten it. You don't wanna do it too tight.
Most of the time I'm alone.
You don't want to do it too tight because next time you do an oil change, it's gonna be hard.
Like, I have no
Might as well make it easy on yourself.
Like, I'm most
That's
of the time
fine
by
enough.
myself, driving.
And then now we're gonna take out the oil filter.
There you go.
Alright, so now we're gonna remove the filter, and it should be easy to take off because I did the previous oil change on this car, and I don't tighten it that much because there's no point of tightening it too hard. So there you go, the oil filter's off. And I bought this at Harbor Freight, and what I really like about this, whatever you call it, oil bucket, is it has like this little thing right here. So you can put the oil filter on there and leave it on there. So you don't have it laying around. Alright, so now we're gonna be installing the oil filter. Before you do that, you want to get a little bit of oil. You want to get a little bit of oil and put it right here.
So that it doesn't stick.
Yeah, so the reason I do, well, everyone does that.
So the gasket?
Yeah, so it doesn't like melt and then you're carked and then you can't take it off next time.
It really looks so good.
Alright, so now we're gonna put this under the car. Alright, so all you have to do is just screw it back on. It's gonna be complicated to catch the threads, but you'll get it.
Why don't you add thread lock?
Alright, so it caught thread. And like I said, don't tighten it too hard. It's not necessary to tighten it hard. So that's that. And the oil plug is in. And now we're gonna fill up the car with oil. So we're gonna put the oil in the engine. And if you see this funnel, you always wanna make sure there's nothing. This one's dirty. So I'm gonna clean it so nothing goes into the engine that I don't want to go in there. Alright, so now I'm gonna put the oil in. Alright, so now we have all this leftover oil right here. And what I have is this like jug. You undo this and then the oil is in here. But I'm not going to use this today because most of you guys probably don't have this. I'm just going to put it in here and then you take it to wherever you bought it, AutoZone or wherever, to recycle the oil. Stay.
Two-man job right here.
So this is dirty oil. You don't want to get this on the ground or else your mom's going to be screaming at you like she does to me.
Ama. Damn, chocolate.
Chocolate rain.
Ah, that shit's warm. Fucking rape light.
Yeah, we're gonna have to like beep all those fuckings that I said in the fucks. Alright, so right now we're gonna reset the oil life. But since this is a salvage title, he doesn't have the, let me show this. So look, it doesn't turn on or anything because his car is a little bit affected. So this is what he has to do to reset the oil light. So the ignition on, but the engine isn't on. So right now he's set the oil life and this is what you basically gotta do. And then that's how you reset it. Simple as that. 100%. Satisfied customer.
But did he show the controls?
It's just okay.
Oh, okay.
Oh, it's just okay?
Yeah.
Alright, smile.
Thumbnail.
Alright guys, so this is the end of this video. Next video, we're probably gonna work on this. So see you guys next video.